7 a.m. So they had these entries at 12:15, 20, so what's that, 8 o'clock? So what it showed was that he had forgotten that he had gone in and added a transaction after he had generated these reports. So this is a good way, if numbers do change after you print reports or something, this will tell you, oh, okay, the date of my original report, because usually what QuickBooks will do in the upper left, it'll tell you the time and the date of the report. So if you've got that sitting there and you've reviewed it with someone, and then you go to QuickBooks and it's changed, you'll have the date and time up there, and on this new report, it'll indicate on this column here, the date and time of the subsequent transaction. You say, oh, okay, those got added after the fact. And if you have multiple users, in this case here, there's only admin. If you have multiple users, if you have multiple people in your books, I would suggest creating that multiple users, because this right here, it'll tell you who made the bad entry. And admin should really only be used for the person who's going to make changes in the books. So this way here, you know the time they made the change and who made the change.
So that happens in login? So
yes, yeah, the login. That's the login name, is admin. So if you're Fred, the last will be last modified by Fred.
In some of the summary reports, it typically will sum, or some of the detailed reports, it will sum the dollar value, but it won't sum the quantity.
It won't, no, you can't get that. No?
They're not in the quantity at all.
They're not, no, it's a great point. Have that frustration.
Exactly.
Now you got to
I spend more time exporting to just sum up, okay,
just sum
so we
up.
know we sold them $5,000 a year, but how many cakes was it?
Right.
Yeah, and it's just, the only way we've been able to kind of do it is export it.
Okay, quite good, right?
Yeah,
okay. Yes, bring that well back at the community bank session. Okay, all right. Right, so you can't get that to all.
You can't get that to all, you just have that.
No. Right.